Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining today. My name's Phil Wilson, and I'm the sales director here at FindMyPet. Joining me today, I have Madeline and Danielle, and we're super excited to connect with you and share a brand new tool. It's a customer acquisition tool called FindMyPet. So what we'd like to do today is introduce you to the tool, and then as we go through, Madeline and Danielle are going to show you how to use the tool. So let's just kick it off and get started. So first off, well, I guess probably the big question is, what is FindMyPet? Well, FindMyPet is a complimentary service designed to reunite lost pets with their owners. Each tag features a unique QR code linked to a pet's profile on the FindMyPet platform. How does it work? Well, it's simple. Just scan the QR code on the tag and register your pet. Should a registered pet ever go missing, anyone can scan that tag, and what you see on the right is what's going to pop up. You've just found Rex. He's a bulldog, 39 pounds. He's 5 years old. And as you can see, there's the option right there to call or message the owner immediately. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, it's actually going to show your store as well as any vet information that the customer might have put in. Well, how much does this program cost? Well, there's really no cost for the FindMyPet program at all. As a gesture of support for our retail partners, we're actually going to be sending out an initial allotment of FindMyPet tags for you to distribute in your community. If you need more, for a very small fee, there's more available. You can find those at shop.frandpos.com. What's the retailer benefit for FindMyPet? Well, each tag and pet profile registered will be attached to your store. Going to fall into the CRM database in your store, and that's going to allow you to reach out to them later and try to make them one of your customers. So how does this work? Well, there's a couple of ways you can register the tags. On the next couple of slides, Madeline's going to take you through and show you how to register the tags before you hand them out. Madeline?
All right, so if you plan to give a tag to an existing customer with a pet profile already in your system, the activation process is super simple. Let's go over exactly how to activate an existing customer. On your POS, you'll click the tab on the left-hand side of the display and select the customer account pet profile to attach the tag to. From there, select the pink three-dot icon in the upper right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find a drop-down menu and can select Register FindMyPet Tag. Scan the tag using your barcode reader and give the tag to the customer. The tag's now registered to the pet. FindMyPet tags can also be used to acquire new customers. We offer two ways to leverage the tags within your community. First, we offer a printable flyer handout that can be found in the back office of your FindMyPet system. These can be handed out to your local community, inviting pet parents to stop by and pick up their free FindMyPet tag in your location. Second, you can register the tags to your store and hand them out to pet parents in your community. While handing them out, ask them to register their pet's profile by scanning the tag with their phone. To find these FindMyPet tag flyers, you'll go to your back office, click on your profile in the upper right-hand side of the screen, then click on Resources, then the FindMyPet flyer. The flyer will be pre-populated with your store information. Print out the amount of flyers you need to hand out, then bring them to your community or drop them off at a local shelter, vet office, or dog park. Now let's talk about handing out tags to pet parents who are not an existing store customer. Before we review the process, always remember you must register the tag to your store prior to distribution. If this step is not completed, the FindMyPet tag will not be connected to your store's database. Now on to the POS process. Once again in your POS, you'll click on the Customer tab on the left-hand side of the display. From there, click on the four squares that look like a QR code found in the upper left-hand corner. Scan the QR code in the tag using your barcode reader, and then give the tag to a potential customer. Now I'm going to hand it over to Danielle to take you through a few more details.
Now that your tags have been registered, it's time to distribute them to your potential customers. We recommend getting out into your community. Go to your local dog parks, shelters, dog-friendly restaurants, any pet-friendly events, and hand out as many tags as you possibly can. Now that you have distributed the tags, it's time to invite those potential customers into your store. If you're not aware, the FindMyPet platform has growth marketing campaigns already built into the system. You can reach out to those potential customers by activating the FindMyPet campaign in the growth marketing section. If you are not currently using the growth marketing options within the platform, I'd be more than happy to show you how. Email me at dcochran@franpos.com for more information, and I'd be happy to take you through a presentation.
Okay, well, that's it. Thank you for tuning in today. We're hoping that you're seeing the value of the FindMyPet tool and that you will leverage it and gain new customers for your locations. Now, if you have any questions or if you need more information, all of our emails are right there on the screen. Feel free to reach out to myself or Madeline and Danielle, and we'll be happy to help. As always, we thank you for being our partners here at FindPos. We wish you the best of luck using the FindMyPet tool, and we'll see you soon.